What is digital marketing? In the next 2 minutes, I'll explain it in the simplest way possible. What is digital marketing? Explained in 2 minutes. What is DING is the process of promoting products or services using the internet and digital platforms. Marketing plus internet equals digital marketing. Every time you see an ad on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or Google, that's digital marketing. Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, TikTok.
Businesses use digital marketing to reach more people, increase sales, and build a strong brand online.
High-quality content builds trust, increases engagement, and helps your brand grow faster.
SEO helps your website appear higher on Google, bringing free organic traffic over time. Facebook ads help businesses reach the right audience based on interests, age, and location.
Digital marketing includes SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, content marketing, email marketing, and social media marketing. Learn the basics, practice consistently, and keep improving. Success comes from taking action every day. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or business owner, digital marketing is a powerful skill for your future.
One of the biggest advantages of digital marketing is that every campaign can be measured and improved.
If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical digital marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.